How to write a market research plan for your business. Introduction. A market research plan is a vital document that details important information about your market research project. A solid marketing research plan is required for starting, promoting, and growing a business. When developing a market research, it is essential that you get crystal clear about your target audience or customer to be aware about the competition and have a perfectly laid out marketing strategy. A sound market plan includes information about you and your business, which also includes realistic goals, your why, and a financial plan. A marketing plan also ensures you know ahead of the commencement date, the timeline, budget, and desired outcomes from the project. A marketing plan also ensures that your team, specialist partners, other people involved in the project are all working towards the same goal. The ideal market research plan should be short and concise, but explain all facets of the project from objectives to budget. Outline to a successful market plan. Set goals. It's crucial to set a general goal or direction you intend to go over the course of the year. This will get your mind focused in a particular direction. Leave some room to be a little flexible throughout, which could be needed as you start strategizing around the information and feedback you collect at the later stage. Set objectives. Marketing plan's objectives helps reason that your research plan will stand. Your objectives around the research plan might include the decisions you are trying to nail right now around the general goal of marketing products or services online. Some possible objectives might include understanding your online customers or the shopping trends of your target customer. Laying out your collection channels. This is something to distribution channel. This involves listing all the possible ways that you can collect feedback and information of your target audience. These might include online surveys, polls, mobile device surveys, social media, etc. Brainstorm questions. Brainstorm questions that will help you to make decisions. It helps you focus your mind on exactly what you want and help you understand your why. You can always edit your questions later based on your requirements. Assigning questions to the collection channels. None of this is final. It can be changed and bent around, but it helps you get your mind around how to best leverage the collection tools that are available to you. Start assigning questions to the channels that will provide the best information. For example, treat your social media channels as you might a focus group. Start conversations with your Facebook community, engage them with questions. Channels like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter are all ideal channels for getting your target audience involved in helping you develop more specific questions around the questions your customers care most about. They'll not only get input on how to frame questions, but also have an insight on the point of focus. You're getting some additional marketing and PR buzz about your product. Use crowdsourcing tools effectively. With the ideas derived from social media conversations, create an idea scale space and seed the space with the feedback. Then launch that page to your social media community and ask them to vote and continue providing the feedback on the space. Keep your community updated with the progress and development. This is also marketing. Put your online survey questions together. While doing this, keep in your mind that none of your respondents want to spend more than 5 minutes on a survey. An average person's attention span is about 2 to 3 minutes at best. So it is very important to catch their attention and draft a survey that serves its purpose efficiently. You can also consider transferring some of your questions to Micropoll and can launch a new one every week. This will also keep your audience engaged. Can you make it go viral? If you can make your online survey viral, you can collect data from a broader market segment. Though viral surveys are most successful when you're asking very broad and socially relevant topics that people in broader community can answer. Not any technically sophisticated questions or questions that might ask for sensitive information. A good example might be, what percentage of sales do you spend market research? Analyze your data. Analyze the data to determine if your questions were answered in the format you expected. If you find any problem, remove the question or run another study related to learning objective. Segment your data. Filter your report by population segments to see if you have a ratio that accurately represents the demographics of your audience. You can also segment your data by learning objective so that you can identify trends and patterns. Report your results. Highlight and share your findings. Data visualizations such as pie charts, bar graphs, and infographics that help to visually convey your message. These visuals can drive home your data without requiring your audience to reach each individual response. Make data-driven marketing decisions. You can confidently make sound marketing decisions when it is backed up by data. You can proceed with new campaigns with confidence and create relevant messages. So, start planning your marketing research.